often, nobody listens. They don't care who dies. 4 people have died. Have they even bothered to forget about compensation? You can't get those people back. But they don't care. They don't care if dust has increased, if Panjim has become the most polluted city. Forget about being smart. So if they don't care, right from the government to the officials working in Smart City, as well as the CCP, nobody cares for citizens. And that is the state. No action is taken. So I really don't know. All citizens are, we just don't know what to do. I think there should be some accountability. All these officers working in Smart City, whoever is responsible, that entire committee that is there, they have to be brought to book. But who will do that?
With respect to accidents, the question is whether compensation or criminal action. आता हेजेर भासाभास जायत करपाक जाता. Compensation is one part of it for certain minor accident maybe. But जेन्ना major accident जाता है, that accountability must be at a different level. हेजेर criminal action जावन एका accountability is not fixed to the person who is confirmed to be responsible for negligent rash driving. एमका criminal action जान एमका definitely they should be behind bars for some time period so that it can set as an example for others. And this must start from top to bottom, not from bottom to top. And bottom to top zal zaitu and kednai bosman. And we have seen this not happening when it comes to rich people. So, somebody has to take a very strong action on highly rich and influential people first. जेन्ना influential and rich मनशाक जरी तर तेका उंटी हिड्या लावपाक जालो जाल्यार everybody down the line will fall in place.
So what has happened was really unfortunate and sad news for us. We didn't expect him to go away like in this kind of like accidental scenario. So, anyways, I would like to thank the Transport Minister, Mr. Momin Gudino, for announcing the compensation for the victims. I think 4 people have lost their lives due to this smart city works. So he has announced some compensation for all 4 victims, I think, like 10 lakhs per person. And no, not yet. It's a government thing, so we have to see like how it is going. I think he mentioned in his video, I had seen that video, that the file has to be processed and all. So we'll have to, I think, see. So I would like to thank him for that, and I hope that it goes forward and all these victims' families get their compensation. He was returning back home from Panjim, and that time the roads were in bad condition.
Yeah, because that work was done.
Yeah, so everything was dug up.
Yeah. I know because I have travelled on that road.
Yeah. So while coming home, he fell in one of the ditches. Self-accident. Yeah, just outside the police outpost, Ribandar police.
Next to that Michelle Hotel.
Yeah. So that Ribandar outpost which is there only he fell down. And so then he was injured and all. And then activist Marian from our village, I think he was passing just after him. So then he tried contacting us, like he got our numbers and he informed us. So he was okay. He got up and all. He was sitting there at the police outpost. So by the time my mother and all, we reached there. And then we took him to the...
So all this while he did not take him anywhere?
No, he was there.
For medical aid or whatever?
No, he was like looking okay. Like he got up.
External injury?
No, actually he was wearing helmet and all. Okay. So there was no injury on head and all. Just like few bruises were there like on the this and all. And then we took him like to KFK. My mom
to the health center.
So there they gave him some medication and they sent him home. And then after 2-3 days
they sent him home. They didn't refer him to GMC.
No. So then after 2-3 days, she complained of some other symptoms. Then again we called 108 and he was taken to Basic and then to GMC. So then he was done the
So
scan.
he passed away in GMC.
In GMC, yeah. He was operated for the, there was a blood clot. Yeah, in the brain. He was operated for that. And then he expired.